HOA Karen ignored my private ranch gate. One legal upgrade stopped her for good. I never thought I'd have to defend my own land from someone who didn't even live on it. But that's exactly what happened. Because of an HOA Karen. So here's the situation. I own a private ranch just outside a suburban neighborhood. It's clearly marked, legally surveyed, and fenced. There's a big steel ranch gate at the entrance with "Private property, no trespassing" signs posted on both sides. You literally cannot miss it. Except apparently, HOA Karen could. Every single morning, I noticed tire tracks going straight through my gate. At first, I thought maybe a delivery driver got confused. Then it happened again and again. Same tracks, same time. So one morning I waited. Right at 7:30 a.m., here she comes, a middle-aged woman in an SUV, HOA sticker on the back window, casually opening my ranch gate and driving through like she owned the place. I stepped out and waved her down. I said, "Ma'am, this is private property. You can't drive through here." She didn't apologize. She didn't even look embarrassed. She just said, "The HOA uses this road. I've been driving this way for years." I calmly told her there is no HOA easement, no shared access, and no permission. I even showed her the property map on my phone. She rolled her eyes and said, "Well, no one stopped me before." And then she drove off. Over the next 2 weeks, she kept doing it. Sometimes twice a day, ignoring signs, ignoring the gate, ignoring me. I contacted the HOA board directly. Their response? "We don't control individual behavior." Of course. So instead of arguing, I did what any smart property owner does. I checked local codes. I called my attorney. I confirmed everything in writing. And then I made one legal upgrade. I installed steel retractable bollards just inside my gate. Fully permitted, fully compliant. Painted bright yellow. Impossible to miss. They stay down for my trucks. They come up for everyone else. 3 days later, HOA Karen tried her usual shortcut. She pulled up, opened the gate, hit the gas, and slammed the brakes. Those steel bollards were standing tall, blocking the path completely. She got out, furious, screaming that I blocked a public road. So I calmly handed her a printed copy of the property survey, the county permit, and a trespass notice. I told her, "If you cross again, it becomes criminal trespassing." She called the cops. 10 minutes later, the officer looked at the paperwork, looked at the bollards, and then looked at her, and said, "Ma'am, this is private property. You need to leave." She never drove through my ranch again. And the HOA? They quietly sent an email reminding residents to respect property boundaries.